on the ground where we first met.
Catherine.
No, I'm Elena.
I'm Damon.
Hi, I don't want to be saved. Damon.
I know.
I've been searching.
And when did you first meet me?
Trail to follow again.
I was in high school.
Take me back to the night we met. I had all and then most of you, some and now none of you.
What was he like?
There was something different about him. Dangerous.
Back to the night we met.
But not in a way that scared me. He was exciting.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do, haunted by the ghost of you. Oh, take me back to the night we met. When the night was full of terror, and your eyes were filled with tears.
There's a part of you that feels for her.
When your hand not touched me yet. Oh, take me back to the night we met. I had all and then most of you, some and now none of you.
Do you see a future with me?
Take me back to the night we met.
Because that's all I see.
I've seen it since the second I laid eyes on you.
I like our life when it's like this.
And how did he make you feel?